Out here dicing up this 24, 25, 26 inch red oak. Get into smaller pieces to throw onto the log splitter. We're swinging an 8-pound Easton made, or not Easton made, East Wing splitting axe. He was cutting with the Stihl MS311 with the 20-inch bar. Not little pieces either.